Got myself a HomeSense gift card and I can use it at HomeGoods. So I'm going to Valentine's Day-ify my apartment. Come with me. I don't have a problem. This is what living alone does. This is what living with your partner does. You just start thinking about the house. Guys, you can't take me into HomeGoods because I want a brie cheese baker. And I don't really be eating brie like that. I do like brie, but it's a specialty. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lexi and I'm going to show you how to Valentine's Day-ify your apartment. If you guys don't know me, my name is Lexi. I'm a 31-year-old corporate raver and I am transitioning into lifestyle, home decor, and good finds. So today this haul is brought to you by HomeGoods, and special shout out to my Aunt Carol who got me a beautiful $100 gift card. So special shout out to Auntie, I love you. And I'm gonna show you what I got with that today. So the motivation for this video is that I want to brighten up my boyfriend's spirits because he found out some disheartening news over the week. And I want to be able to make something special for him. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to do with the place, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. Some finds that are from Goodwill, there's some finds that are from HomeGoods, and also some miscellaneous stuff that I had from maybe Christmas. So sit back, relax, grab yourself a coffee, water, not alcohol because it's not that time yet. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do with all of this. Who loves Valentine's Day? I, for a bit, was a naysayer about Valentine's Day, but ever since getting my new apartment, I think showing love to your space is a good way of showing love to yourself. So I'm going to start off with my Goodwill. Some stuff I got from the Goodwill. I got these really cute little ceramic little mushrooms. Mushrooms are so in right now. And also in another colorway too. And then I found these really cute set it to hand towels. Gorgeous. And I also got the same thing from HomeGoods as well. Like I got like the same thing for the kitchen, the bathroom, things like that. Another find I found at the Goodwill was this beautiful wood circular pad that could go good for my dining room. I just got a really beautiful bowl so I can put some assorted stuff for seasonal things. And this is what it looks like. Cute, adorable, love. And this was only $10, guys. So the thing is with HomeGoods stuff, with things that have to do with HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, HomeSense, and things like that, you know, being able to go in and find the good find, I really love that store because you don't have to really spend a lot to get a lot. Before doing anything, drink your water. It's time to start Valentine's Day. Quick shameless plug. So my mom is on YouTube and her name is under Desbar, and she has beautiful tutorials on how to make amazing candles. They smell so good and they're so cute for any. How beautiful is this? See what I'm gonna do with this. So I found this beautiful black crate from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to link that below because it could be good to establish that. Special shout out to my mom for thinking of me for this project. I will link down the YouTube below, who basically gave us the idea of it. You ready, baby? Come in.
Can I?
Yeah, you can look.
It's pretty great.
I also changed the, I changed our sign.
You changed our sign?
Yeah, I changed our sign.
Oh.
Thank you guys so much for watching me Valentine's Dayify my apartment. My boyfriend absolutely loved it and appreciated it so much. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you felt the love. I hope you felt inspired. And now go decorate your apartment, house, mansion. We're manifesting big over here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me about what your favorite thing about Valentine's Day is and what your plans are. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye. Hey guys. Hey guys.